This is Dr. Divya Fagedia. Here I am discussing about the sustainable development. First of all, we are discussing about sustainable development. So, what is a sustainable development? And views of sustainable development, concept of sustainable development, evolution of sustainable development, and the pillar of sustainable development. These are our points here. So first term sustainable development first come to prominence in the World Conservation Strategy in 1980. So it achieved a new status with the publication two significant reports by Brundtland on North and South Program of Survival and Common Crisis 1985. What is development? So general development is the gradual growth of a situations that becomes more advanced and strong than previous one. Development is a unfolding of a human potential for meaningful participations in economic, social, political, and cultural process and institutions so that people can improve their conditions. And sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. So Gro Harlem Brundtland first introduced the concept of sustainable development in 1987. He was then the Prime Minister of Norway and Chairman of the World Commission on Environment and Development. So sustainable development, improvement of lifestyles and well-being, then preserving natural resources and ecosystems. So WWF represents the landmark events in the evolutions of the concept of sustainable development has been the 1972 Stockholm Conferences on the Human Environment convened by the United Nations. So the report of the World Commissions on Environment and Development. So one cover common future in the 1982 United Nations Conference on Environment and Development or Rio Earth Summit, as it is commonly referred to the many activities between the successive landmarks events short to build in the outcome to the previous event. So clarify the issues. And then United Nations establishes the Commissions on Sustainable Development in December 1992, ensure the effective follow-up to um, and to monitor and report on the implementation of the Earth Summit agreement of the local, national, regional, and international level. So, and another Kyoto Protocol adopted in December 1997, the conferences of the parties, COP, held over the years, so have been some advance relating to clarifications of various aspects of financing, implementing sustainable development globally. So M, maximizing the probability of achieving sustainable development, minimizing the chances of environmental degradation. These are the four major components: the climatic change, nutrient cycle, hydrological cycle, and biodiversity. So example of sustainable development, solar energy. The greatest advantages of solar energy are that it is completely free, is available, it is a limitless supply. Both of these are factors provide a huge benefit to consumers and help reduce pollutions. Replacing non-renewable energy with this type of energy is both environmental and financially effective. So wind energy is another readily available to wind energy sources. Due to construction costs and finding a suitable location, these kind of energy is meant to service then just the individuals. So the another one, crop rotations. This farming practice is beneficial in several ways. Most notable because it is a chemical-free crop rotation has been proven to maximize the growth potential of land while also preventing disease, insects in the soil. Not only can this form of development benefits commercial farmer, and the efficient water fixtures, according to the EPA, it takes a lot of energy to produce a transport water to process water, wastewater, and since less than 1% of the Earth's available water supply is fresh water. So green space, according to the medicines departments of Pure urban and regional planning, advantages of green spaces include helping regulate air quality and climate, reducing energy consumption by countering the warming effect of paved surfaces, recharging groundwater supplies, and protecting lakes and streams from polluted runoff. These pillars of for sustainable development, interdependent and mutually reinforcing pillar of sustainable development. These are the interconnected with each other. So another fourth pillar, cultural diversity, is a necessity for humankind as a diversity for nature. So sustainable development cannot be understood simply in terms of economic growth, but also as a means to achieve a more satisfactory intellectual, emotional, moral, and spiritual existence. Culture, how human beings make a sense of the world, to how people think, learn, and solve problems, what they value and respect, what attracts and delights them, the what offends them, then the sense of what is appropriate. So the soil in which the tree of identify has its roots, manifests itself in a human beings, relations, systems of organization, technology, arts, political, economics, community, all of the things that human do. A metaphor for cultures. These are the primary level culture. There is an underlying hidden level of a culture that is a highly patterned, a set of unspoken implicit rules of behavior and thought that it controls everything we do. So the hidden cultural grammar defines the way in which people be the word. So determines their value and establishes the basic tempo rhythms of life. These are other metaphor cultures, the collective program of the kind which distinguishes the member of one group for another, the software of the mind. Putting it all together, environmental protections, economic importance, social development, and cultural diversity. What are the desired outcomes of sustainable development? Clean water and air, fertile soil and good food, livelihood and health economy, and optimum population size, halting global warming, safety from poverty and disease, social context, sense of community, work lessons, celebrations, opportunities to learn. SIRA's framework identifies key features for the field of sustainable development, environmental sustainability, economic development, social development, cultural diversity. These are the environmental protections, ecosystem integrity, biological diversity, managed population size, environmental protection, economic development, appropriate economic policies, efficient resources allocations, more equitable access to resources, so increasing the productivity capacity of the poor. Environmental protections, these are the social development, improved economic distributions, gender equity, investing in basic health and education, emphasizing participations of the beneficiary. So the principle of a sustainable society are the respect and care for the community of life, improve the quality of human being life, provide a national framework of integrating development and conservation, create global alliances. Sustainability principles, so reduces dependencies upon the fossils, fuel, underground metal and minerals, reduce dependency upon synthetic chemicals and other unnatural substances, so reduce encroachment upon natures, meet human needs fairly and efficiently. So sustainability issues are to be analyzed at a various level, global level, ozone depletion, climate change, air pollution, regional, national area level, water pollution, water depletions, deforestation, fishery depletions, biodiversity desertifications and erosion, local level, a plot, a farm, a village, soil losses, losses of soil quality, chemical and physical losses of a form of income, so the principles of sustainable development, these are these showing what is our goals in sustainable development. Sustainable development requires the active involvement of all stakeholder, government, NGOs, private sector, but also civil society. So this is our goal. You have to remind policies maker to make a decision to protect your future. So you can remind them that you want better jobs, cleaner cities, our equitable resources distributions, and abroad. These are the problems where poverty and population's pressure intersects women therein environmental suffers. So what is needed to achieve the sustainable development? Eco-friendly present generation should aware for needs of present and future generation and also ensure the productivity assets available to future generations are not. Such a technological needs to be developed and implemented which help to conserve resources, so prevent unnecessary pollutions, help restore the environmental wherever appropriate. So these are the symptoms and crisis. Some examples of showing the impact of climate change of Earth. These are the suggestions. We need to spread social awareness to bring massive changes to social attitude. Action must be taken against their backdrop of serious inequalities and their impact on environment. So there are many always communicating what sustainable practice is. However, what is the most important is to understand the connectedness of the each of these areas. Thank you.